Are you ready to bring the power of Telegram's fast messaging, group chats, and cloud features right onto your Windows 10 computer? In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through 2 easy ways to install Telegram on your PC. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to connect, chat, and share with friends from the comfort of your desktop without ever reaching for your phone. Let's dive in. We'll start with the classic installer method. First things first, you'll need to download Telegram directly from the official source. Open up your web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whichever you prefer, and head over to telegram.org. Make sure you're on the genuine site to avoid any risky, unofficial downloads. Once there, look for a button that says Telegram for Windows or sometimes Get Telegram for Windows. Go ahead and click it, and your browser will start downloading the installer file to your computer. This step isn't just clicking a button, it's making sure you get the most recent, secure version of the app. Now, after the download finishes, you'll probably see a file called something like Telegram Desktop Setup, exe, in your Downloads folder. Take a moment to find it, usually at the bottom of your browser downloads bar, or you can open your Windows Downloads folder directly. Double-click that setup file. This is what kicks off the installation process, so don't worry if a window takes a few seconds to open up. Your computer, just preparing to install everything properly. From here, you'll see a series of on-screen instructions. Slow down and take a look at each step. The first thing you'll likely see is a language picker. Select the one you're most comfortable with. It's something you'll appreciate every time you use the app. Next, it'll ask where you want to install Telegram on your PC. If you're not sure, sticking with the default location is completely fine. It keeps things simple and organized. Click Next or Install once you're happy with your choices. You might also be offered the option to create a desktop shortcut. If you want to open Telegram quickly with a single click from your home screen, definitely select this. Otherwise, you can always find it in your Start menu later. Once the installation wraps up, and trust me, this might take just a minute, you're ready to open Telegram for the first time on your computer. Launch the app and you'll be greeted by a login screen. There are 2 ways to sign in. If you already use Telegram on your mobile, you can scan the QR code using your phone's Telegram app, which is super quick and secure. Or if you prefer, just enter your phone number. This links your account so all your chats, contacts, and groups will instantly appear on your PC. But wait, there's an even simpler way for many Windows users. Let's talk about installing Telegram directly from the Microsoft Store. First, click your Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Open the app. It's built right into Windows 10 and makes finding and installing trusted programs super easy. In the store, look for the search bar, usually at the top right corner. Type in Telegram, and you should see the official Telegram app pop up among the search results. Make sure it's the authentic one by checking out the developer info. Once you found it, simply hit the Install button. No need to download extra files or worry about where things are stored. The Microsoft Store takes care of everything, and you can watch the progress bar fill up as your app downloads and installs in the background. After it's done, head to your Start menu and you'll find Telegram right there. Click the icon to open it up, then hit Start Messaging. Again, sign in using your phone number or scan that QR code if you've got Telegram set up on your mobile. This connects all your conversations, so they're literally at your fingertips, whether you're at home, at work, or anywhere with your laptop. And that's all there is to it, 2 straightforward ways to install Telegram on your Windows 10 PC. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy how-to tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.